Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a kitchen upgrade that balances modern efficiency with classic usability. If you have been searching for a compact cooking solution that does not require a massive kitchen renovation or a specialized power setup, this VBGK 2-burner electric cooktop might just be the answer. Let us dive into the design first. What makes this unit stand out immediately is the decision to move away from fully digital touch controls. It features physical knob controls. In a market flooded with finicky touch buttons that sometimes fail with wet hands or get confused by accidental touches, the tactile feedback of a knob is refreshing. It is straightforward, reliable, and honestly, a lot safer for households with children or pets because the risk of accidentally turning on the stove is significantly lower. This unit runs on standard 110 to 120 volt power, which means you do not need to hire an electrician for a high voltage install. It packs a total of 2,100 watts across two burners, with one offering 1,200 watts and the other 900 watts. This is a solid amount of power for a portable or built-in desktop unit. It gives you 9 different power levels, allowing for everything from a gentle simmer for delicate sauces to a high-heat sear for your steaks and stir-fries. One of the biggest selling points here is compatibility. Unlike induction stoves that force you to buy expensive, magnetic cookware, this ceramic cooktop does not discriminate. Whether you have copper pans, aluminum, cast iron, or stainless steel, as long as the bottom is flat, it will work perfectly. This saves you a small fortune since you do not have to replace your entire cookware collection. The heating technology utilizes far-infrared heating. It is incredibly efficient because it directs energy straight into the cookware rather than just heating up the air around it. It provides that fast, consistent heat you would expect from a high-end cooktop without the electromagnetic radiation concerns associated with some induction models. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the setup is incredibly simple. The ability to use any type of pot or pan is a major win for the average home cook. The knob controls are a massive convenience factor that adds to the overall longevity and ease of use. It is compact, easy to clean with just a wipe, and fits perfectly in apartments, small kitchens, or as a secondary burner for events. On the potential downside, you do need to be aware of the error codes. Like many modern appliances, it has built-in safety sensors. If you see an E1 or E2 code, it indicates a sensor or circuit fault. While these are rare, it is good to know that the unit is designed to shut down rather than malfunction dangerously. Also, remember that since it is a glass ceramic top, you should avoid dragging heavy, rough pots across the surface to keep it looking pristine over the years. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable, no-nonsense electric cooktop that gives you the freedom to use the pans you already own while offering precise control, the VBGK 12-inch electric burner is a fantastic choice. It is well built, safe, and punches above its weight class in terms of heat performance. If you want to check the current pricing or see if it is the right fit for your countertop, you can find more information. Link in the description.